The Work Lists feature on the mobile app gives you access to customized lists of animals for simply viewing or for completing tasks that can be sent back to your DairyComp program, saving you paper and time at the computer inputting data. Some of the common lists producers like to have on their app include vaccination lists, sink shot lists, cows due to dry off, animals due soon, open cows or heifer lists, and many more. To get started, let's go to the Lists tab. As you can see here by the date, these lists have not been updated for some time. You should always hit the refresh button when you come into the list screen to ensure you have up-to-date information. Let's use this BovaShield list to demonstrate how to mark animals off as done and process the changes to send the information back to your DairyComp program. Simply tap the list to bring up the animals due for their BovaShield vaccinations. You will notice that animals are grouped by pen numbers, which corresponds to the groups set up in DairyComp. By tapping on an animal off the list, you are able to view additional information, as well as mark the animal as being vaccinated by selecting Mark Done. This will move her from the to-do list over to the done list. Continue selecting animals you have vaccinated until completion. Any animals you leave on the to-do list will remain in case you didn't get a chance to finish the entire list that day. And if you've made a mistake by tapping an animal as done, you can undo this by going to the Done tab and swiping to the left over the animal, returning the animal to the to-do list as you can see here. Once you are finished selecting the animals you've vaccinated, simply go back to the list screen and tap Process Changes. This sends the information back to DairyComp and puts a vaccination event on each of the animal's cow cards. Do note that it is important to be connected to the internet either by Wi-Fi or cellular data when you hit the Process Changes button to ensure the information sends to DairyComp. Lists that you only want to view, such as open cows or heifers, can be used in the same manner, but without marking animals off as done or processing the changes. Your lists in DairyComp do not automatically send over to the platform mobile app, but have to be set up by one of our DairyComp support team members. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to get the most out of your mobile app, including how to view your vet lists and enter in vet results right on your phone during herd health. Please give our DairyComp support line a call if you have any DairyComp or platform-related questions, or if you're interested in getting your mobile app list set up today.